So in this video we're going to try and multiply two recurring decimals together and give our answer as a fraction. So I've got 0.4 recurring times 0.54 recurring. Now even though these are recurring, we can't just do 54 times 4, which is 216, and give us that as some kind of an answer. We need to be a bit more methodical and work out these 0.4 recurrings and 0.54 recurrings. So let's start on this one. So 0.4 recurring is just the same as writing it like that. So I'm going to set my x to be this, which is the same as that. And now what I'm going to do is get my 4 on this side. So if I do 10x equals 4.4 recurring, so that would be a case of just putting my decimal point here. That's now 10x. And now what I could do is I could subtract my x to get rid of this 0.4 recurring. So 10x minus x equals 4.4 recurring minus 0.4 recurring. So simplifying this up, I've now got 9x equals 4. So x equals 4 over 9. So that's my first term taken care of. Now what about this one? So this time if I let this one equal y, I've got 0.5444. This time it's just the 4 that's recurring, not the whole decimal. So this is the 5 on its own. So now what I want to do is to try and multiply this by 10 to get the 4 recurring on its own. So now if I do 10y equals 5.444, or 10y equals 5.4 recurring. Okay, now what I want to do is try and get a term to try and get rid of this 4 recurring. So now I'm going to have to multiply by 10 again. So now I'm going to have 100y equals 54.4 recurring. So now, as I did on this one, I can now subtract these two and get rid of my recurring. So 100y minus 10y equals 54.4 recurring minus 5.4 recurring. So now simplifying this, 100y minus 10y is 90y. And then 54 minus 5 is 49. And the recurrings will now cancel out. So now I'm just simplifying off, divide both sides by 90, 49 equals, so y equals 49 over 90. So I can't simplify that off anymore. So all that's left now is to do x times y, because this is my y on this side. So now I've got 4 over 9 times 49 over 90. Well, 49 times 4 is 196, and 9 times 90 is 810. Okay, let's see what we can do to simplify these off. Well, they're both even numbers, so I can divide by 2. So that will give me 405, and that will give me 98. Is there anything else we can do here? So 98 I know will go into 7. But that won't go into 405. So that's out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 won't go in. 5 won't go in. 7 won't go in. And 11 won't go in. So therefore that's the most simplification we can do on this one. So therefore our answer for 0.4 recurring times 0.54 recurring equals 98 over 405. And that is my answer. Okay.